What computer specs do I need for music production? Processor. It's the main center of any computer. Look for a multi-core processor such as Intel Core i5 i7 i9 or AMD Ryzen 5 79 to run any DAW, digital audio workstation. RAM. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM for basic music production tasks. In many cases it may be insufficient because each project will require different resources. SSD solid-state drive. There are two types of these, HDD and SSD. Having an SSD will make a big difference in the performance of your computer. We recommend you to have at least 250 GB of storage. Display. Before you choose, think about what you need. Are you used to work in different places? You could think of a small screen as a 15 or 13 screen. Always think about your needs and your budget. One of the most important things is to start learning with any kind of equipment you already have.